1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 2 times 6 equals 12, and 12 divided by 12 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of multiplication operators present, we have an addition operator present here too, and we have division operator present here. But we also have parentheses present, and according to the rules, parentheses have higher priority over anything else. So we need to solve what we have inside parentheses. 1 plus 2, that equals 3. Our expression now becomes 12 divided by 2 times 3 times 2. Now we have a division and a couple of multiplication operators present in this expression. According to the rules, multiplication and division have equal level of priority, but we have to work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that is on the left side. 12 divided by 2, that equals 6, and our expression becomes 6 times 3 times 2. Then 6 times 3 gives us 18, and 18 times 2 gives us 36. Which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.